You see his whole body?
Look at his toes.
Look at some video. What do you think about
Allie, where's
him?
his hands?
Where's
Carson,
his hands?
where are his hands?
Yeah.
How big are his toes, Carson? They're just little.
That's just so. It's just because he was just born.
Are you tickling him, Allie?
And he's wrinkled.
Yeah.
It's like he's in the bathtub for a long time, huh?
Tickle.
You want to get up there and give him a kiss, Allie?
No.
Carson, you want to give him a kiss?
Hello
Oh.
Look at him looking at you. He says, "Who are you?" Tell him. Tell him who you are.
Yeah, he's crying.
Okay. He's gonna cry a lot, huh?
Yeah.
Tell him who you are.
Hi. Well, he's sleeping.
Carson, tell him your name, buddy.
Tell him who you are. Say, "I'm your sister. I'm gonna be your sister."
Does he want his pillow?
No, mommy hold him. He likes just to be held like this.